Hi, this is Dwight with Learn AI Now. We're going to talk about how you can use Khan Academy's TutorMe GPT to get tutored in almost any topic. It's great for students, but it's also great for adults that don't quite understand how things work. So let's get to it. TutorMe GPT. Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can use Khan Academy's TutorMe to tutor a student. Now, you probably won't have it installed, so go to Explore GPTs and search for TutorMe, and you can see it comes up, and all you have to do is just click on it, and it'll add, and it'll show up right here in your sidebar. So I'm going to go to TutorMe, and I'm going to say, okay, TutorMe in long division. And so what ChatGPT does is it comes out with 2 divided by 4. And the first thing it says is, what's the first thing you should do? And I don't know. Now remember, you can talk to the ChatGPT to do this as well. First, look at the first digit of 132. Can 4 go into 1? Nah, no. Can 4 go into 13? If my math is right, it can go into 13 3 times. And 3 times 4 is 12. So you'll notice ChatGPT doesn't give you the answer. It kind of walks you through. Now subtract 12 from 13, which gives you 1. So how many times does 4 go into 12? 3. So it kind of walks you through the process of how to do long division. Let's see. Tutor me in geometry. And I am not a geometry expert, so I'm probably not going to know this. Uh, I don't even know. How about shapes? I'm going to get everything wrong here. Do you know the names of the common shapes? Triangle, square, rectangle, and circle. Can you tell me one characteristic of each? Yeah, I could. All right, how many sides does a triangle have? Uh, let's say a triangle has 3 sides. And they're equal. Rectangle has 4. So you can see it kind of walks you through the process. If you get something wrong, it comes back and says, nah, the rectangle does have 4 sides, but we are looking for how the opposite sides are related. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. What is the distance from the center of a circle to any point? I don't know. So the point is, it'll walk you through the process of trying to figure out and understanding how how to do how to be tutored. Let's try one more. Tutor me, and here we go. Oh boy. Thermodynamics. Let's do 4. And you'll notice I didn't even have to tell it. Can you tell me what you know about thermo? I don't know anything about it. So ChatGPT kind of walks you through various levels. As you can see, it comes back up here and says, here's some key concepts. Temperature, which is a measure of the kinetic energy of particles in a substance. Heat, um, energy transfer between objects due to it. So it works you through the principles or the characteristics, the concepts of college physics, and in this case, thermodynamics. Let's try one more. Modern physics. Quantum mechanics. So this is a really complicated topic. As you can see, it gives you a very expansive explanation about particles and waves and electrons and particles and wave particles and quality and quantum systems and a bunch of really um, tough topics. But if you're studying college physics, this could be helpful to you. So that's how TutorMe works. If I were a student, and I'm always a student, always have been, I would use this to, let's do one more. So I asked to tell me about Shaka Zulu. Now, who knows what that means? But it kind of gives you a history of Shaka Zulu, who was a African prince, and when I was in South Africa, we went to Zulu land. So here are some key topics. He was born in 1787. His mother was exiled. He gained military experience. The point is that you can use TutorMe to get tutored in almost any topic you want, or any topic you want. And this video should help you see how you can do that. Thanks again. Hey, listen, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get updated with all of the new videos that I post. That video describes how to use TutorMe GPT, and I wanted to remind you that you can subscribe to our channel. So click the subscribe button and the notifications button so you get notified when we post new videos. We're going to do a lot of videos about ChatGPT, the great equalizer in learning. Thanks so much, and I'll talk to you soon.